Baby, is the red light on? Yeah. Okay, so it's recording. Yeah. Okay. We're gonna go, we're gonna pet this guy. Baby, I'm recording. This is either gonna be a great video for Tosh.0 or not. Look at him. They're so used to kayakers, I don't think they're really... Baby, let's come up to the top of this pier. Wave to the camera. Let's see, there they are. Okay, now watch out for the male there. He could try to protect his females. It's that big bull you gotta watch out for. Hey, later, you fella. Yeah, let me get the chum. I don't know, I was hoping that there wouldn't be boats around, because if those boats see me throwing it, they could. Okay, let me get some. Let me come up. I'm gonna come up on the other side, and you can just hand it to me. You don't want to drop it. Hang on, let me shut this off. Is the red light still on?